Morning, the sun's up, I've got the solar panel out, but it's really chilly out there in the wind, so I'm staying snug inside while I have my coffee. Heading towards not quite Le Havre today because I wasn't able to book a hostel. I've written to a couple of warm showers hosts, but it's pretty last minute, so I don't have high expectations. So I'll probably camp just outside of Le Havre today, somewhere along this fabulous coast. And the mission today is to do fewer kilometres and to try not to be in a rush all day. Tailwind again, pushing me up the hill. Love these faded signs, ghost signs my brother calls them. La brioche Boston, s'il vous plaît? Oui. Ouais, c'est du. Merci. Oui. Ah non, une pain au chocolat aussi. This is a good day. Not only is there fast free Wi-Fi at Étretat tourist information, I've also got a nice brioche bun to eat in the sun, but most importantly I heard back from warm showers host Hélène, who's agreed to host me for a couple of nights, which is a massive relief. I've got so much catching up to do. It'll just be great to rest and meet Hélène. It's Sunday, but I'm still quite surprised how many rugged up figures are on the beach right now. Another promenade you're not allowed to cycle on. Fair enough. Bonjour. Bonjour. I'll be honest, I hated it from outside, but this is gorgeous. I hope the colours are coming out. It's amazing. Somehow this Baroque church survived the bombing and is now the oldest building in the city centre. This is the cultural centre known as the Volcano, opened in 1982. And the town hall. I hope it's not unfair to say that Le Havre gives me a kind of Eastern European, dare I say it, Soviet-y vibe, although I read that it is a very French version of the brutalist form of architecture. A beautiful house. Hélène has just popped out to pick up her doggy. I've got a gorgeous room all to myself upstairs, I'll show you later, but I've absolutely landed in the right spot for my rest day. Lucky me, I'm so glad Qantas wouldn't take my money. Update, I've gone from Calais through Dieppe to Le Havre. So cozy.